I'll speaking questions on marriages, children, and relationships. Do you prefer love marriages or arranged marriages? I would prefer love marriages, which would be arranged. I choose this because I want to have the freedom of choosing my life partner, but I want my family to be happy with my decision as well. There are certain restrictions in India regarding such things, but now the scenario is changing a bit. Tell me about a wedding that you have recently attended. One of my cousins got married recently and it was a beautiful wedding. He looked wonderful in his wedding dress. The marriage palace was beautifully decorated. We enjoyed all the rituals and ceremonies which were solemnized during his wedding. What are the qualities you expect your life partner to have? I want my life partner to be understanding. That is one and the only thing which I am looking forward to. She should be educated, honest, and friendly. Rest of all the things can be compromised, but if there is no understanding, then there is no use of being in such a relationship. Do you think people should get married before or after age of 30? People should get married before the age of 30 as that is the time when you are ready to make certain compromises in life. You are ready to adjust after that. One's mind becomes rigid and finds it difficult to think in a different manner. Also, one more reason is that during that age period, one wants to enjoy life at the fullest. Tell me about any couple whom you admire a lot. One couple that I admire is none other than my elder brother and his wife. They seem to be perfect for each other and they have a great bonding. They have lived the kind of life that a couple should be living. Do you think that both husband and wife must work to ensure a better lifestyle? Yes, in today's time, both partners need to work because as the things are becoming more and more expensive to have a good lifestyle, they need to work. Everybody wants to be financially stable and have an easy life. So, one of the best ways to achieve is that both the partners should work. Do you think that working women are better mothers? In my opinion, it doesn't really matter whether the women are working or not working. To prove to be better mothers, it all depends on how a woman handles or juggles her schedule to be there for her children. Do you think that mothers should do a part-time jobs to ensure that they are able to focus more on their children? I think it should be the sole decision of a woman. If she can manage her children well, then it doesn't matter whether she is working full-time or part-time. Why the number of divorce cases on a high, especially in metro cities? Well, I think that in metro cities, people are basically more focused on their own career and they do not get time to focus on their marriage, and due to lack of time for each other, the marriages end up in divorce. Also, life in metro cities is much faster than the smaller cities, so sometimes it becomes difficult to keep a balance. Is it difficult for a single parent to bring up children in a proper way? Yes, I think it would be definitely be more challenging for a single parent to raise their children in a proper way because the way I see it, single parents have their jobs, homes and many more responsibilities to handle along with their children. If both parents are together, then the responsibilities are shared and burden decreases. It doesn't happen in the case of a single parent. Do you think mothers play a greater role in growth and development of children than fathers? Mothers definitely have a great bond with the children than fathers as they are the one who carry the children in the womb. They are the one who remain with them 24 into 7 after they are born. Fathers have the other responsibilities to take care. Also, mothers are more caring than fathers, so children come to them more often. So they play a greater role. But the fact in the fast changing era, fathers have started taking more interest in everything that the children do it. It doesn't like before when men were outside to the work and women remained at home to take care of children. Now the responsibilities are divided equally. What are the secrets of a successful marriage? Understanding and patience are the keys to all relationship, and this is especially true in case of marriages. If two people understand each other and become friends, then the marriage is bound to be successful. Do you think that family holidays and outings are essential for family bonding? Yes, every family should go on holidays and outings to bond properly. These days, life has become so hectic that nobody really has time to sit together. Parents have to go to their office, children have to go to their schools, colleges, and tuitions. So there isn't much time left for them to even talk to each other. Even if they do have the time, they tend to spend watching TV or movies. So if they go for a holiday, they can spend time together and make a better bonding. Thank you very much. Please hit a like button if you like a video. Please subscribe our channel Zuglu Study Material. Thank you.